If you're dreaming of powdery white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and indulgent luxury, Cancun is the ultimate paradise. In today's video, we'll dive into the top 6 all-inclusive luxury resorts in Cancun, Mexico. Places so incredible you'll never want to leave. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more amazing travel content. Ready? Let's explore these slices of heaven. Starting off at number 6, we have the Grand at Moon Palace. This isn't just a resort, it's a full-fledged wonderland. Perfect for families and couples alike, this luxurious escape offers a mind-boggling 1,300 rooms, each with a private balcony or terrace. Let's talk amenities. Think a sprawling water park with slides for the kids, a world-class spa for the grown-ups, and a golf course designed by the legendary Jack Nicklaus. Dining here is next level, with over 20 restaurants serving everything from authentic Mexican dishes to global cuisines. Plus, their all-inclusive package means unlimited food, drinks, and entertainment. Oh, and did I mention their live shows and nightly parties? If you're looking for endless fun and indulgence, the Grand at Moon Palace will not disappoint. Coming in at number 5 is the adults-only Hyatt Zelara Cancun. This resort screams romance and relaxation. Located in the heart of Cancun hotel zone, it's all about luxurious suites with swim-up pools and oceanfront views. The vibe here, think peaceful, serene, and oh so chic. Indulge in a poolside cabana while sipping on a freshly made margarita, or enjoy a rejuvenating massage in their beachfront spa huts. The gourmet dining options include everything from teppanyaki grills to authentic Mayan cuisine. And for entertainment, you've got nightly shows, live music, and even tequila tastings. If your idea of paradise is a blend of romance, pampering, and vibrant nightlife, Hyatt Zelara Cancun will sweep you off your feet. Now at number 4, we have Excellence Playa Mujeres, an adults-only oasis situated just outside the hustle and bustle of Cancun. Picture this: white sand beaches, turquoise waters, and a private location that feels like your own secret escape. The suites here redefine luxury. Many come with private plunge pools and rooftop terraces. Their attention to detail is unmatched, with champagne on arrival and personalized service that'll make you feel like royalty. Want to unwind? Their spa offers hydrotherapy sessions and beachside massages. Craving adventure? Try their water sports from kayaking to paddleboarding. And don't miss the dining. 10 gourmet restaurants featuring cuisines from around the globe. Trust me, Excellence Playa Mujeres is a dreamy retreat for anyone seeking a mix of romance and adventure. At number 3, we've got the sophisticated and stylish secrets, the Vine Cancun. This adults-only resort is a haven for wine lovers and those who appreciate modern elegance. The rooms here are sleek and contemporary, offering floor-to-ceiling windows with breathtaking ocean views. But what sets this resort apart is its dedication to wine. They have a massive wine cellar with over 4,000 bottles, and guests can enjoy wine pairings, tastings, and themed dinners. The infinity pools, beachfront cabanas, and world-class spa add to the luxurious vibe. And when it comes to dining, their gourmet restaurants serve everything from Italian classics to fresh seafood. If you're looking for a sophisticated escape with a touch of indulgence, Secrets the Vine Cancun is the place to be. At the coveted second spot is the ultra-luxurious Nizuc Resort and Spa. Nestled on a private stretch of beach, this resort is the epitome of understated elegance. Perfect for couples and families alike, it boasts spacious villas and suites with private pools and stunning ocean views. The highlight? Their award-winning spa, where you can experience ancient Mayan rituals blended with modern therapies. The resort's 6 restaurants offer a culinary journey, from Peruvian specialties to Asian fusion. And let's not forget the secluded beaches, perfect for snorkeling, kayaking, or simply soaking up the sun. With its tranquil vibe and impeccable service, Nizuk Resort and Spa is a sanctuary of peace and luxury. Finally, at the top of our list is the unparalleled LeBlanc Spa Resort Cancun. This adults-only resort is the definition of pure luxury. From the moment you arrive, you're treated like royalty with their butler service and personalized attention. The suites are a dream. Sleek all-white interiors with stunning ocean views and double whirlpool tubs. Dining here is a culinary adventure, with Michelin-inspired menus and exquisite wine pairings. But the crown jewel of LeBlanc is its spa. Their hydrotherapy circuit, along with an extensive menu of treatments, will leave you feeling rejuvenated and pampered. And the cherry on top? The serene infinity pools overlooking the turquoise Caribbean Sea. If you're searching for a resort that offers an unmatched blend of sophistication, relaxation, and indulgence, LeBlanc Spa Resort Cancun is the ultimate choice. And there you have it, the top 6 all-inclusive luxury resorts in Cancun. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or just need some serious R&R, these resorts have got you covered. Which one caught your eye the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in paradise.